Hi everyone. Today I wanted to show you the meal kit box I got from Goodfood, just to give you some ideas if you are thinking of purchasing their meal kit. For this box, I went with their classic basket plan and ordered 3 meals kits that came with 2 servings per meal. The total cost is $66.95. The 3 meal kits I got are spiced Middle Eastern style beef platter with hummus, chopped salad and pita, chicken breasts and roasted purple Brussels sprouts over spiced jasmine rice with crispy fried shallots, and the bacon and pork white bolognese over bucatini with chef's salad. This picture shows all the ingredients I got from the kit to make the first meal, spiced Middle Eastern style beef platter with hummus, chopped salad and pita. The next picture will show you the meal I made following their instruction. Here it is. The cooking time for this meal took closer to 20 to 30 minutes. I am not good at cooking, but I found the skill level for this meal was pretty simple and the instruction for the cooking was very easy to follow. The taste was light yet delicious. This is my first YouTube video. Please comment below if you have any questions or want to see 2 other meals I got from this Goodfood box. Thank you for watching.